Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. I think we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these. Fast shipped to you. There we go. Better than staring at the box. Now we're going to see what's inside. Oh boy. Here's something different. So like I said, we got the holiday season approaching us. If you don't know what to get somebody, this will be a nice little gift to give. Nice housewarming gift also. Gift to yourself. Whoops, sorry about that. Drop you guys down. Whoops. Almost off the edge. That's my phone crooked. There we go. What do we have here? Kyvol Vigoair HD3 Ultrasonic Mist Humidifier. Oh, sweet. Large capacity. Ultra long running time. Whisper quiet. Wide coverage. Long service life. So there they are. Bada boom, this was in the box. We get the machine. We get a little brushy. We get dust proof sponge. Whoa. I hate dust. And the manual. So now we're gonna open it up and dun 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 dun. See how this thing works. So right now I'm gonna drop her down. Timber. Drop you guys down. Here we go. Alright, alright. The right stuff. This would be perfect for like dorms and homes, small apartments, your office. Oh yeah, look at this. Kind of looks like it's a new Xbox. Alright, let's take this off. Ooh. She is shiny. Nice color. I like. I guess that's how easy that was. That's where the stuff goes. Let's cut that. Clean up the mess a little. Now I have to cut somewhere right here. I don't feel like wrestling it. There we go. Slide that out. Got a lot of videos today, guys, so we are in for some treats. That is for sure. We got the cord. Plug in easy. See, that's cool. They got these blockers. And untwist the twist tie. 1, 2. Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4. We got the twist knob. Oh yeah. On off minutes max. Here must be the money. Show me the money. How do I open you up? Aha. Filter. There we go. Boom. That's what the inside looks like. Do not add essential oil into the water tank. See, do not do that. No little drip, nothing. Just leave it plain H2O. Here's the bottom. Alright, I can peel this off. I know that rule, so just in case you guys know that they do got the ones that could add it. This one you cannot. Peel this off. this is going to be probably in my room, but I'll keep it in this office for the video. Alright, that sticker is gone. Uh-oh. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had someone at the door. But here we go. Here's the machine. Now we put the water into the top. Hopefully this should be... Oh. There we go. That was easy. So we go... Carry it like this. Okay guys, I got the instruction manual how to do it. Once you find the instruction manual, it will come with the little brush guy and an extra filter. So, you got to use a cup, like a normal drinking cup, like for brushing your teeth. The one you use is fine. It looks like you got to pour in the bottom. Yeah, it's probably because it shoots up. Okay, so you got to pour in here. Then there should be a cutoff line. Usually a hashtag or something. You can see. Let's see how far we can fill it. I guess a cup is good. It says do not add any essential waters. We covered that. Do not add water into the base or through the nozzle. So do not add water through here. Use it down here. Okay, so about a cup full would work. I can figure the rest out now, since I don't want no short circuit. I'm gonna have to go grab a cup. Gonna fill it up, plug her in, give it a spin. Be right back. Alright guys, I got my cup. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's kind of like a fishbowl. And that might be good. I don't want to overkill it, so we'll give that a shot, see how that goes. And then now, make sure the nozzle is good to go. How do I put this back on? Oh boy. Oh boy. Aha! Look at that, one shot. Yeah, buddy. And now, oh, we'll crank it. Whoa. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see the mist. Crank it a little bit more. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, that's quality H2O right there. This is going to be perfect for the winter time. And maybe the light might help. Not really. It shoots up pretty good. That's on max. There you go. I can feel it nice and cool. You can adjust the nozzle. There we go. Oh yeah, I feel it. Yeah, cool little misting going on. Reminds me of like Cedar Point, going through the certain rides. Getting the mist coming right at us right now. And oh yeah. Oh, that feels good. Oh yeah, make sure it doesn't get in your eye, guys. So, but there we go. Oh, it's nice and cooler. I feel the difference already in this little section. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect for any work area you guys have, computer rooms, gaming rooms. There you go. So all you Twitchers out there, you might want to grab a couple of these. Add it to your cart now. Check out. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.